Hi, everybody. I just wanted to take a minute to share another screen recording tool since we do not have the pro access to Screencastify anymore. And the maximum number of videos you can have in your account is 10 with Screencastify. I know a lot of us are at that limit, so I just wanted to go ahead and record a video to help everyone that needs to create videos for back to school. So this is called Loom, and I've used Loom in the past, maybe when Screencastify has been glitching or unavailable for some reason. So now I just plan to use Loom full time. So what you do is you just go up to sign in, or if you do not have a Loom account already, just get Loom for free. So let me go in and let me sign in. And I connected it to my Google account for school just to make things easy. A big difference between Screencastify and Loom is, if you remember in Screencastify when you made videos, they connected and they dropped into your Google Drive. With Loom, when you create videos, they live within Loom unless you download them and put them into your Google Drive. You can still share them with a link and people can access them with a link. It's just different where the videos live. So in this case, your videos are living in Loom, not in your drive. To create a video, it's super easy. So all you do is you create new video, and I'm going to press record a video. It's going to be weird. You're going to see me in both places here, two different corners. So with Loom, just like Screencastify, hello, I'm both places. You have the option to record your full screen, a window, a tab, or if you just want to do a camera and you just wanted to record your face like we have in the past, like when we were doing the week at a glance with the pandemic, you can do camera only. So in this case, I'm just going to say full screen. The nice thing is right now you saw that camera automatically pop up. You do not have to have the camera. You can choose no camera. And what it's going to do is whatever account you have it associated with. So in this case, it's with my Google. This has my Google picture. But what's more fun than one Lauren? Oh, two Laurens. And then lastly, it's got your microphone there. There's a few things down here. And the one that I'll probably point out that might be most important are the effects. Because similar to when we did Google Meet where you could blur the background, it does give you the option to blur your background or put something in the background. So that maybe would be the only thing that you need down here. So here we go. I'm going to press start recording. And it's going to take a minute to load. I'm going to choose entire screen is what I want to record. And it's going to give me a countdown just like Screencastify. I'm clicking around. I'm doing my things in Loom. Okay, I think I'm done with my tutorial. And I'm going to press stop. So I'll press stop right down here. And here it comes. I heard a little click there that told me it was ready, or a little sound effect. So now, just like, oh, how nice is that? It's because I light up a room. What you can do at this point is if you need to rename the file, which might be really helpful if this is a specific unit or lesson or instructions for an assignment. So I'm just going to rename this Practice Summer 2023. Okay. And then you can also, the nice thing about Loom is you can split and trim the video if you need to, or change the thumbnail. So if you don't like how sometimes when you record a video and it gets this face and you're like, why did it stop on that for the thumbnail? You can create a thumbnail that you'd like as well. Another thing about Loom is it does allow for comments. So this might be something that's nice if you're sharing it with students and you want to know what questions they have maybe about the video. You can use that as well. So now my video is done. You saw how easy that was to record. I'm just going to press copy link. And now I'm going to open up an incognito window so you all can see what this will look like on the I guess consumer end, what students would see. So I created the Loom in my account. This is exactly what students would see. As you can see up here, like they don't have to sign in, they don't have to create an account, anything like that. But I watch the video, I can give reactions, I can give comments. But if you leave you have to sign in with your account in order to leave comments. So hopefully that's a helpful just introduction, something to show you, I guess, my backup top screen recorder. If anybody has another one that they love, please feel free to share. Edpuzzle has one as well. But what I found is that the upload speed is a little bit slower with Edpuzzle. And I'm somebody that once I get a video created, I want to be able to link it and move on with my next task. So that's where Loom in this case is beneficial. It's totally free. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I am happy to help. See everybody soon. Bye.